Alright YouTube, today I'm going to show you how you guys install this Vantrue dash cam hardwire kit. It goes with this Vantrue N2 Pro dual camera, as you can see here. It's the front side and there's the back side, and you also have this LCD screen to where you can see what's being recorded in front of you. As you can see, this bracket here, that's an aftermarket from Amazon. I'll show you guys the link just so you guys can get the similar one. This is actually better compared to the one that comes with this, because it's a lot more tighter, it's snug. And this right here, you just basically twist depending on how tight you want it. And it's got those ball joints to where it's very flexible. And this right here is the original wire that we're gonna get rid of. And this is the one that plugs into your car's power outlet. And with this right here, this Hardwire Kit, this will help activate the parking mode on this Vantrue N2 Pro dual dash cam. You're gonna need this in order for you to have this parking mode to work. So basically we got this right here, and then this wire, and this is the one that will be connected onto your camera. As you see here, so this is the one that will connect onto your camera, and this is the wire that kind of goes through the side of the vehicle going into your fuse box. So the vehicle we're going to put it on today will be the 2020 Mitsubishi Outlander, a 7-seater SUV, and these are all just extra stuff. So depending on what kind of plug you have for your fuse box, they give you these options as well. But I think we're good off this, because this right here will basically connect onto this, and then this black one, this will basically be your ground. So we'll just look for a piece of metal there with a screw to secure things up. But other than that, let's get started. Alright guys, so here's that 2020 Mitsubishi Outlander that we're putting it on. So it'll be right there on a rear view mirror facing out. We just got this the other day. It's a 7-seater, pretty good vehicle. Alright, a couple of tools that we're gonna need. We're probably gonna need this, a drill, because we might have to put a hole inside the fuse box so the wires aren't pinched on the side. We're gonna need this, pliers, for the wiring. And if you guys can't order this, you can get it from Amazon. So basically what that looks like is these right here. It helps you tuck in your wires on the side, so it'll be a lot neater. So here's some of the drills. And then I just brought my toolbox here just in case we need some other things. All right, so let's go ahead and work on this vehicle right now. So first thing we're gonna do is I have to look for the fuse box for this vehicle, and this right here is basically where it's gonna hang. It's got a little cylinder right back there, right here. That's where we're gonna wrap that thing around. And I think I found the fuse box right here, so that's where we're gonna go and look to see which one we're gonna choose. Here's what we got. That's the fuse box. Luckily it's inside. On my other vehicle, which is the Toyota Tacoma, the fuse box is actually inside the hood, so this one's gonna be fairly easy to put the wires in. So at this point, we're basically just looking for one of these fuse, and what we're looking for is basically a a power that turns on even with the car off. And I think our best bet at this point would be the headlights or fog lamps. So let's figure out which one out of those will be for the headlights. Looks like the dome light is something we could use. That one right there with the 1915A. And we can also probably use the, like I said, the headlights. Just anything that has power even though the car is off. So yes, those two would qualify. So let's go ahead and look for that 1915A, and we'll plug that hardwired kit in there to provide us that power. All right, so that's what it looks like. It's all plugged in, connected to this. And then luckily there's a screw here. It's for the ground, and we're all set. See how it works. That's what I did with the camera. It's got that rubber piece to just make it tight and secured. And this is the top. And here's the screws that comes on top to lock it up. So let me go ahead and wrap this up real quick behind this rear view mirror. It's got a cylinder right there. Like I said, this is where it's gonna go, right there. So let me go ahead and do that first, and I'll show you exactly what it looks like afterwards. Here's what I got. I was able to put that in there. Kind of just want to move this around so you get more space. It's a little tight, and they're screwed in and secured, so this bracket won't move. But with this, you can still adjust it. And that's what it looks like. And it'll look a lot better once everything's done. Right, so just before we start putting away the wires and making it neat, let's go ahead and try it first to see if there is power onto that. All right, so just plug it in. Okay, so it works. All right, so we basically made a good decision. Going back to the fuse box, basically what I went with is the dome light, because as we all know, even with the car keys off, dome light still works on the vehicle. And so that right there, my friend, is what we used for the Hardwire Kit. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see there, but okay, so we were able to put some power and it's all set. All we gotta do now is just put away these wires and tuck it in real nice and clean. All right, YouTube, here we are. Here's the aftermath. So I got that stuff all secured, pretty tight. And here's what I did. I basically just ran the wires, tucked it right above here. And like I said, these things are pretty helpful because it keeps the wires from falling, catches it. Got a couple of them up there, see? And basically I had just tucked it in right here on the side. Door panel all the way down. And like I said, for this particular vehicle, 2020 Mitsubishi Outlander, the fuse box is actually right inside the car, so we didn't have to go through the hood. As you can see there goes the Hardwire Kit. It's there you go, all tucked in nicely. And then here's the ground. Luckily there's a screw there, made it easier for me. Then everything else, it's all tucked in here, the extra wire. So we're all set. I mean, that's a do-it-yourself. Pretty sure you guys can do it as well. And it looks pretty clean and professional.